Eating habits, the foods that we get attracted to, or the ingredients that we are more prone to consume, are something that we really enjoy and relish without really understanding why and how, they may have something to do with our zodiac sign. We're going to be looking at the earth signs and seeing as to what are the kind of foods that you should be eating, the kind of foods that you should be avoiding. So we have Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. These are the earth signs. The element of the earth is attached to the signs Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, and it also rules the second, sixth, and the seventh houses. All earthy metaphors are appropriate over here. Salt of the earth, feet firmly planted to the ground, and so on and so forth. The Earth zodiac are graced by their practicality, groundedness, and being extremely dependable. And it's a known fact about these zodiacs that they don't take big risks. They are very cautious. They really like to pre plan, think about it, and then take an action till the time that they're absolutely not sure as to what is it that the consequence will be. For Taurians, you have to be extremely careful about your diet. You are somebody who loves to eat, you love a good meal, you also love rich food. Taurians normally at home have a very good table unless and until that you're not, suffering from some illness or something that your doctor has told you strictly not to have. You love hosting people, you take a lot of pride in having a very good table, but try and maintain a steady weight because you could be prone to a very sweet tooth. That is also the Venusian aspect, which is something that you share with the Librans. And try and also consume a lot of asparagus, cauliflower, cucumber, and pumpkin as much as you may not like it. And since you are prone to thyroid issues, Taurians, try and eat seafood a lot, which is rich in iodine, and also a lot of eggs and whole wheat. Taurans, you represent true foodies. I think there are some very famous chefs that are Taurians as well, and you have a huge appetite and you really know how to enjoy your food. Also, this is some way that you don't believe in saving money. You really go all out. So, at a Taurian's house, you will find the best of the wines and the best of cheese. Only a finely prepared meal can satisfy you fully. Dieting is really a torture for you. It's something that you really do not enjoy, and also something that you can't really sustain unless and until, of course, you're an athlete or you're somebody in the sports space. Audience, try and be relaxed when you're eating your food. This is one of the most important things for you, that do not eat your food when you are stressed, or even if it is this, you've had an argument, you've had a fight. Ensure that you calm yourself down, that you breathe calmly, and then you go and you consume your food. Also, try not to drown all your problems in food or in desserts. The tip for you Taurians is to try replacing sweets with fresh fruits. We then have the lovely Virgos, who are extremely thoughtful, they're practical, and they always spend their money very wisely unless and until you have a very naughty moon sitting over there. You like to think that your frugality in your life doesn't cause you to miss out on anything because you're saving for something really big and something really incredible. Maybe it could be like traveling the world, which you would really love to. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are the perfect food choice for you, and also to be keeping your wallet happy. It is, however, something that I would personally not recommend unless and until you're making that peanut butter at home, or even if you're making that fruit jelly from scratch at home. Potassium also, it helps regulate oil in the body and it soothes the muscles. So try and stick with whole wheat, try and stick to walnuts, lentils, almonds, cheese, oranges, bananas, and lemons. To help with easy digestion, incorporate cornbread in your diet along with a lot of yogurt, melon, and eggs. Virgons, you have a sensitive stomach, so try and be careful about the food that you eat. Also, because you have this tendency or need to self sacrifice, try and not eat stale food which is there in the fridge. Virgons, you're also known to be great chefs. You can work wonders in the kitchen. So try and use all of your talents to create incredible dishes for yourself, for your family from scratch. They don't have to be something really elaborate, but try and stick to the foods that will really help your digestion. Since you hate to throw food, you could be quite successful in creating something from nothing. But however, do remember that try and not to have stale food which is there in the fridge. Try and consume or even create food as much as that is required. Sure that you're getting a lot of fiber and omega fats, avocados, eggs, fish, and seafood. Fresh seafood will be something that will be really beneficial for you. Other foods like oats, fruit salads, fruit juices, bananas, teas, and almonds are also very good. The tip for you workers is to eat light and small meals to avoid stomach discomfort. The last of the earth elements or the earth zodiacs we have is a Capricorn. Capricorns, you're the mother of all the earth elements in this zodiac set. Since you are somebody who is extremely hardworking, you're fast paced, you're also somebody who tends to skip their meals, and you may end up having one big fat meal at a go, which will not be good for you. Also, try and lean more towards oranges, celery, spinach, broccoli, peas, potatoes, almonds, corn, whole wheat, and oats as well. Capricornians, you are tireless workers, but you always find it hard to find a good time, or rather have that enough space so that you can have your meal, a wholesome meal, peacefully. Try not to skip meals, Capricornians. Ensure that you are having your eating frequently. Specifically, breakfast is extremely important for you. You can go ahead and have a very small and a very light dinner. In fact, I would say to go to the extent of maybe having a very light soup, or maybe just a toast. That's all. You really don't have to be going in and having a full-fledged meal, because it takes a while for your system to be breaking down the food and digesting for you. And since you are somebody who prefers home cooked food, it's wonderful that you will be able to create a lot of recipes from your kitchen from scratch itself. In fact, that is something that you will prefer. You do not like experimenting, and you do not like exotic foods. Again, I would like to mention, I'm speaking purely people who have their sun signs in Capricorn. If you have a different moon and if you have a different ascendant, then you will find that this is not necessarily true of you, and they could be, say for example, if you have a Sagittarius in your moon, then you could be somebody who is prone to taking or to experimenting, but cautiously. You'll read up like 10-20 reviews that will satisfy the Capricornian side, but yet you will go ahead and order for something exotic. Also, go easy on the salt. You do tend to exaggerate on the salt. Rice, fruit juices, fruit salads, cabbage, corn, teas, and soups are something that you can really enjoy, and they will benefit you. The tip for you Capricornians is to be careful, extremely careful while adding salt to your food. It can become one of your worst enemy. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.